Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. Today we have a light bulb smart PTZ camera and we are going to connect it to the mobile. So stay with me and let's start. This is the camera that we will connect it to the mobile today and we are going to unboxing it. You can see that camera can be turned on by attaching it to a holder.
Camera is starting. Please wait. Setting up hotspot. Hotspot is ready.
And here is the SD card slot and reset button. I want to show you clearly. Now you can see it. After this, open V380 app in your mobile. Press add button and press add camera. Now scan QR code of the camera. Turn on Bluetooth and location of the phone. Press confirm now. Select your Wi-Fi network and type password of the Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi password is already feed in the app. Now mobile is searching for the camera. It can take some time. Wait for the mobile to find the camera. If the camera still doesn't show, reset the camera. There is a reset button on the camera. Press it for 5 seconds. Camera is reset now. Go back on V380 app. Wait for the camera to show. Now the mobile has found the camera. Now the camera is connecting to the mobile. Wait for the camera to connect. Camera is activating now. Type a name for the camera. Play the camera. The camera is connected to the mobile now. You can control it with PTZ control. You can move up, down, right and left. Press inversion to straighten the image. The picture of camera is now straight. You can check to move with PTZ. Press here to open more option. Press light control and you can see lights option now. I have turned on the light and lights of camera is on now. I will show you with my mobile camera. You can see lights is on. Now go back on the app V380.